Get ready to have your nails painted. Welcome back to Glowenvy, where we dream big, get creative, and bring beauty to life in the most unexpected ways. If you love next-level beauty transformations, hit that subscribe button. We took Holo Taco on the road for the Simply Podlogical Collection launch, and it was epic. Picture this, a giant FedEx truck, totally transformed into a mobile nail salon. That's right, we brought the Holo Taco party to the streets. We wanted to celebrate this collection in a huge way. What better way than to bring the Holo Taco experience directly to our amazing fans? This wasn't just about launching new polishes. It was about creating an unforgettable experience. The energy was electric. People lined up for hours to get a peek inside the truck, snag some freebies, and of course, get their hands on the new polishes. We met so many incredible people, from die-hard Holo Taco fans to those just discovering the magic of holographic nail polish. It was a whirlwind of color, excitement, and pure Holo Taco love. The Simply Podlogical collection features 5 unique shades, each one inspired by the podcast and its inside jokes. We carefully chose each color and finish to represent the fun and quirky spirit of the show. First up, we have Take It or Leave It, a deep black with a stunning blue shimmer. It's dark, mysterious, and oh so hollow. Spirit Fingers is a cool gray with a fiery red shimmer, perfect for adding a touch of edgy glamour. Next, we have Berry Mancer, a bright berry pink holographic that's as fun and bubbly as the podcast itself. Brucey is a deep teal that's both sophisticated and playful. Finally, we have Feeling Fiendish, a grayish purple cream that's perfect for everyday wear. The star of the show was undoubtedly the truck. We gutted a FedEx truck and completely redesigned it to be the ultimate Holo Taco experience. The outside was wrapped in a vibrant design inspired by the collection's packaging. Inside, we decked it out with shelves upon shelves of Holo Taco polishes, comfy seating areas for manas, and even a sound system to keep the party going. It was like stepping into a Holo Taco wonderland. We had a blast hitting the road and showing off our Holo Taco home on wheels. We visited a bunch of different locations, from shopping malls to busy downtown streets. Everywhere we went, people were drawn to the truck's bright colors and infectious energy. We couldn't hit the road without giving back to our amazing fans. At each stop, we gave away tons of free stuff, from full-size Holo Taco polishes to custom nail files and stickers. We even teamed up with a local boba shop to create a special Holo Taco drink, the Blueberry Lychee Jasmine. It was the perfect refreshing treat for a hot day of Holo Taco fun. The entire experience was more incredible than we could have imagined. Despite facing a few challenges along the way, like a minor truck breakdown, the energy and excitement from our fans made it all worthwhile. We can't wait for our next Holo Taco adventure. If you love this transformation, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss another Glowenvy makeover. See you in the next one.